Hello everyone. Introduction. My name is Naomi Siswa Magdalena. Number name C101120117. I am from the Agrotechnology Study Program Faculty of Pertanian. Here I will tell you about nutrition, healthy. All living things need food to survive. It gives us energy for everything that we do. It also gives us the body why it needs to repair muscles, organs, and skin. Food helps us give of dangerous disease. It is important to eat a wide range of food in order to stay healthy. Nutrition is the science that deals with food and how the body accesses it, how the body uses food. Food has nutrition in it, substances that give our body many important things that we need. They provide us with energy and also help control the way our body grows. Before nutrition can go to work, food must be broken down so that they can pass into our body. This is called digestion. It starts when we have the food that we eat. When we swallow, it travels on to the stomach where it is mixed together with water, and other fruits. Then the food is based on the digestion, how the body breaks down food in intestine. Nutrition escape through the walls of the intestine into our blood. From there, they are carried to all parts of the body. Mass food leaves waste that the body cannot use. Some of it goes to the kidneys and turn into urine. The liver also filters out waste. What is left over passes through the Golgi system and leaves our body. There are six main groups of nutrients: protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamin, mineral, and water. The energy that food gives us is measured in kilocalories or 1000 calories. A calorie in an energy that is needed to raise the temperature of water by 1 degree Celsius. Water. Although water does not give us energy, it is the most important nutrient. We may be able to live on without the other 4 weeks, but we cannot go on with hot weather for more than a few days. Water Water has many functions in our body. It helps most important nutrition, many about life on wait the other for weeks, but we cannot go on with hot water for more than a few days. Water has many functions. Our body needs about 2 and then 3 liters of water a day. We get it from the water and liquid we drink, but also from fruity vegetables and other food. And then carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. Sugars and starches have carbohydrates in them. Sugar is simple carbohydrate. It gives us energy very quickly. This form of energy can be found in dairy products, honey, syrup, jams, and jelly. Starches must be broken down into sugars before our body can use them. They are found in beans, bread, potatoes, cereals, corn, pasta, peas, and supply of energy. Fats. Our body needs fat in small amounts. Fats are made up of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogens. They store vitamins and produce fatty acid. We need that acid to produce cell members. Fat can come from animals or plants. They are in meat and dairy products like butter and cheese. Other types of fats are in vegetable oils, nuts, or seeds. Too many started fats produce a high level of cholesterol, a toxic material made by the body. It starts building up in the walls of blood vessels and may block blood as it flows through our body. Protein. Protein are among the most important building blocks of our body. Muscles, skin, and hair, for example, are made up of protein. Protein are complex molecules made up of amino acids. The body can produce some of the itself, but we must get the others from food. Protein are in cheese, eggs, fish, meat, milk, as well as in nuts, pigs, and beans. Mineral are needed for growth. They are inorganic, not made up of living things. Our body needs different amounts of various minerals. Important for bones and teeth. We also need small amounts of iron. It is a component of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to red blood in very small amounts. They are called trace elements. Vitamins. Our body needs a variety of vitamins to stay healthy. Each of them does a different job. Vitamin A, Vitamin A, for example, helps skin and hair grow. Vitamin C is needed to fight off infection. Vitamin D helps the growth of bones of teeth. The right diet. The key to staying healthy is by eating the right food. Nutrition suggests eating according to the food grid pyramid. It has few sections. You should add a lot of the bottom parts, but only a little the upper parts. Eating withers. 1. Be careful of your weight. Obesity can lead to health problems. Second, exercise every day. It helps the body burn calories and fat you don't need. And then 3, add a lot of grain product. And then 4, be careful not to eat food that has too much saturated fat and cholesterol. And then 5, do not eat too much sugar. Heck, sugar food and drinks have a lot of calories but not many nutrition. And then 6, don't put too much salt on your food. This may lead to high blood pressure. And then 7, include fiber in your diet. It helps food move along in your body. And then 8, beware of alcoholic drinks. They have a lot of calories but not nutrition. And then 9, store and cook foods properly so that they do not lose their nutritional value. Nutrition and disease are often the word. People suffer from illness that are caused by eating the wrong food or not having enough to eat. In developing countries, dysentery disease arises when people do not get the right nutrients. Kwashiorkor is a disease that occurs if your body does not get enough protein. Marasmus occurs in young children who do not get enough calories every day. They become weak, underweight, and often die. This often occurs if you suffer from a lack of vitamin. Not enough vitamin D, for example, may lead to bone illness. In industrial countries, people often suffer from eating too much fat and cholesterol in your body. Can lead to heart disease, obesity, and cancer. High cholesterol levels may make your artery narrow. The result may be high blood pressure, a heart attack, or a stroke. The lack of certain mineral may also lead to illness. Not enough iron in your food reduces the blood's ability to make red blood cells, which are needed to transport oxygen through our body. According, according to the World Health Organization, over a billions adults around the world suffer from high blood pressure. It is now taking steps to fight against what is called a silent killer. High blood pressure can lead to strokes and a heart attack. Almost 10 million people die of these two diseases every year. They are the number one causes of death globally. High blood pressure also leads to kidney failure, blindness, and other illness. It often goes hand in hand with diabetes and obesity, which increasing health risks even further. As the World Who reports, people in developing countries in America suffer more from high blood pressure than people in developed countries. The reason is the health care in the developed world is much better organized and people go to the doctor soon enough. High blood pressures so should never be ignored and always taken seriously. It is as a warning. Sick from your body, the something is not okay. Although people may live with high blood pressure of years without even knowing it, it is important to check your blood pressure regularly and take the necessary steps. The word says that you can reduce your blood pressure by changing your living habits, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, regularly avoiding alcohol and nicotine are some things that you can do without consult the doctor. And bacteria are small living things that can be found almost everywhere. They live on the ground, in oceans, in the food that we eat, and even in our bodies. They have been on Earth long before there were any other organisms. Bacteria are so small you can only see them with the help of a microscope. They have only one cell and very simple structure. And then bacteria have outer cell walls that protects the insects. A cell membranes is inside the cell wall. It prevents harmful substances from getting in the out. Inside the membrane is a soft, jelly-like substance called the histoplasma. It has chemicals that help with the part of a cell and break down food. Within it is the nucleus which contains the DNA. It controls a cell's growth and other activity. Bacteria appear in different shapes. Spherical bacteria are round of bulk legs. Root-shaped bacteria live in your intestine and from science. spiral-shaped bacteria have twists from. Bacteria absorb nutrients and remove wasted through their cell walls. They reproduce by splitting themselves in the middle. The two new cell can then split into four cells and so on in a short time. A single bacteria can reproduce billion of times. Some bacteria can get inside the human body, reproduce and cause an infection. These helpful bacteria are called pathogens. Our immune system is in charge of fighting of these bacteria. However, sometimes we need a vaccine to help fight the form of the bacteria itself. Such substances help our body fight bacteria in the future. Some examples of illness caused by bacterial infection are tuberculosis or pneumonia. The best way to protect yourself from bacteria is to keep yourself clean and wash your hands because bacteria may be transported by air. We should cover our nose and mouth when we sneeze. Vitamins also help strengthen our immune system in fight of bacteria. Bacteria can be helpful to the human body as well. They live in our stomachs and help us digest food. Other bacteria create cheese and yogurt. Bacteria are at work in the soil in decompose dead plants and animals. Drinking water becomes the popular drink after soft drink in some countries. People believe that it is good to drink glasses of water of a day to keep our body moisturized and healthy. However, nothing more than a good lean not basic many benefits. First, water could aid weight loss. By drinking water before having a meal, you can lose your weight. This is because extra H2O helps us eat less by making us feel full and boosts metabolism. Second, water keeps the kidneys healthy. Water helps dissolve fats and soluble fiber. Water also possesses was the product that prevent constipation and reduce the burden on our kidney and livers. The last, water prevents headaches naturally. We sometimes get migraine. Migraine is caused sometimes by not drinking water for too long. Water helps our headaches by drinking 2 to 4 cups of water for headaches relief within 1 to 2 hours. Water is the healthiest beverage In the words, you will get nothing from water but benefit for your health. About 10 of 8 adults really like the habit of drinking coffee. Coffee is a drink that is derived from the seeds of the fruit of the coffee that is been crushed. There are many types of coffee, ranging from coffee, robusta coffee, Batcher's eggs. In addition to the usual as relievers, drowsiness, and body warmers, coffee drinks also have other benefits for skin health and beauty. That in substance contains in the form of coffee of carbohydrates, glycosides, minerals, amino acids, protein, caffeine, lactic and carboxylic acid, trigonelline acid, chlorogenate, and many more. In addition to nourish the body, the work more of the contents also has the ability to nourish the skin because the coffee also has benefits for the skin, especially on the part of the face. 7 coffee benefits for skin. Resolve acne problem. Coffee drinks can be used as a facial scrub to address acne problem, with how to make pimples to dry more quickly, so avoid the problem of inflammatory acne. Eliminated blackhead. In addition to acne, a problem which is often dropped in on the skin of the face is blackheads. Blackheads occurs because the face had deposits of excess oil. Oily face serve as a suitable place of blackheads. Can be done by icing the marks. The drinks of coffee regularly. Disguise the stains, black acne scars, either the coffee of or the coffee drinks. When smeared on the face of X has the ability to disguise the stains, black flecks, acne scars, and black flecks. This is because the coffee has the ability to remove dead skin cells, break down skin fast. In the coffee there is contents of antioxidants which surface to leave the dead skin cell that ultimately due to free radical. Thus, the face will look brighter and skin-free of darkness. Control the excess oil contents. The next coffee benefits when used as a face mask on regular basis can control the contents of excess oil on the face so the face looks more clean, free flaws, and to avoid acne, shrink skin pores fast. If used as a face mask on regular basis, coffee can shrink the pores of the face so that it can make the skin free from acne and break his problem. Please note one of the causes of the emergence of pimples and blackheads on the face skin caused by pores are clogged by dirt and extraction of excess fat. Okay, thank you. Good night.